So far we have lost 4 people. As I've said, 3 officers, 1 civilian. A female lady who was working in that fish. The water has blown completely, and we suspect the IED was placed at night.
We call upon our security agencies to do thorough investigation to make sure we get the culprits, those who are behind this incident. Our people are peaceful, but few culprits, criminals are living within the society.
Our town has actually been peaceful. Our security team has been doing a good job, but these cowardly acts just happen in this holy month of Ramadan, where we are supposed to be in worshiping Allah in peace. We really felt it, and inshallah we're going to do all our best to make sure that such incident will not happen in collaboration with our security officers.